How's it going, everyone? Today we're unboxing the Viltrox 27mm f1.2, and it comes in this very, very high gloss box. This is for the Sony E mount, so we'll be trying it on my Sony a6700. It looks like we do have some tabs here that we need to kind of just undo, so we'll go ahead and do just that. There we go. And let's pull this right out here. So first we've got some instructions, which I'm sure you don't care about, so we'll put that aside. Viltrox warranty card, silica gel, and we got a nice piece of foam padding right here. Oh wow, that's a thick piece of foam padding right there that you got. And then we have the lens itself. So let's just get right to the lens. Let's see what it exactly looks like here, right out of the box. So we do have a lens head. So first I must say, pretty heavy, feeling good, like quality feel, heavy feel. We do have the lens cover, or right there on there. So Viltrox lens cover. And there is your lens itself. Very good feeling though, like just super solid. It says Pro, it is the Pro style lens. Automatic focus and manual focus button. We got the little button right here, which is it's like a rubbery type button. It's not a hard plastic. We've got F1.2. We've got the click right here. So if you want to have that smooth, or if you want to have it clicky, I believe that's what it is. So there we go. So that's click, and that's, there we go, non-click. So we've got that. Yeah, pretty nice. We'll take the back off so you can see all metal. I believe it's weather sealed as well. We got the weather seal all around it. Put that back on. There is the lens hood. We'll go ahead and throw that on. And that clips in nicely. So it looks fairly big with that lens hood on. We'll take it off for the time being. Do we have anything else in here? What is this right here that we have? All right, looks like we've got a little case to store the lens in if we want to. So if you want to pack it around, even if you have a bag already, you can put your lens in there to protect it even more. So that's actually cool that they include that. We don't really see that very often. Nothing else in the box itself. So let's grab my Sony a6700. I've got the Sigma 10 to 18 right now on there. We're going to go ahead and just take that off. We'll put that aside. I'll grab our Viltrox lens right here. We've got the little dot right there. We'll match it with the dot, the white dot on there, and we'll just put it in and click, and wow. Nice quality feel. I mean, the lens is heavy. I'll definitely say that. So if you're expecting it to be a light, compact lens, it is not that. But to me, the heavier it is, like I feel like the more quality it is. So it definitely feels like a hefty camera now, like a nice, good quality full frame camera. That's what it feels like to me, even though it is in this compact design. So really nice. And let's go ahead and we'll throw it right on right now, and we'll put it down to f1.2. So we've got it on, we'll put it on manual mode. We'll turn it right on. I don't think I have a memory card in here. I don't right now. And you know what, here we'll grab something here that we can, we'll grab my little microphone right here. And so we have it on F9. Here, I'll throw it back so you guys can see. So we have it on F9 right now, and we'll focus it. So to adjust the aperture, you do have to use the ring right here. So if we drop our ring all the way down, so now we're on F1.2, and we'll drop our ISO down to the lowest we can go right here, which is 50, and then we'll drop our shutter speed. We'll drop it all the way to 100 right there. So you can see it's going to just give absolute crazy background bokeh. Like, you just look at that. Like, look at the blur in the background now. That is the blur created by the lens. We'll jump it all the way up now to like F9, and you can see the blur is going to change. We're actually going to throw the ISO on auto so you guys can see it in real time here. So there we go. So now we have it on F16. Now, if you look at an F16, you can see just how much there is, like nearly no blur. And then we drop it all the way down to f1.2, and now just look at that crazy background blur. Just what an amazing lens. So I'm super happy to go and test this out in the field now and see the rest of it and what it's all about. But I definitely recommend this. You are going to absolutely love this lens.